And then when you get to about 2:30 seconds, you want to make sure that you replace it because that's going to put you in the red. Now, my problem is here, I'm going to go ahead and reset, and I'm going to show you the tire tread depth on these tires. And this is a rear-wheel drive car most of the time. So I'll push it flush there, and we'll pull it out. And what you might be able to see there is we're in the yellow already. And that looks to me like we are at 4 or 5:30 seconds. So while maybe not totally unsafe, that is why I have ordered new tires for this car, because I don't want to be driving on this now that I'll probably be driving this car more.